guys. These are the tomatoes that came off of this tree. I took them from here and from here. Well, actually, I didn't take them. My mom took them, and I think she took them a little too early. They're still kind of hard, but I do believe they're supposed to be red. So I think she picked them too early. But that's how the tomato tree is going. These two would have been hanging right here. One right here. And then one right here. So this is sort of how it would have looked. But I got it in time. This is my cherry tomatoes. My basil. And my Carmen Italian peppers. My spinach. I got some lettuce growing here. Some lettuce. I think the gourmet lettuce. And the spinach. And this is more spinach. But also have jalapenos, yes. And the bees. This is the Swiss chard, and this is my green bean plant. So it's growing really big and really nice. 4 of them in one pot, and this I'm about to chop down with some salad for dental. This is my muscadine greens, and here is my Marconi peppers, sweet peppers. Still haven't produced any peppers yet. And this is my regular tomato plant. We get some regular tomatoes. We got some onions and some carrots and some garlic. And my cabbage, y'all haven't seen in a while. Still haven't got my BT to spray yet. As you can see, it's affecting all my other flowers. So I can't wait to get that. And then this poor cabbage is trying to hang on for dear life. That's the way it is. So I'm gonna trim it down today. I got my mint and lemon balm all growing all beautifully and nice and full. Yes. And over here, it is my potato plant. And I'm gonna have to water to there. I water this plant. It'll look a little dry. Also, I got a few ants that I can see, but I haven't seen any of the worms that everybody's been talking about. So I guess that's good. I gotta trim all the little dead leaves. This right here got broken. So I'm trying to hold on for dear life. And then over here, have my other mixed potato plants. All the flowers fell off, I'm assuming. Even though I don't see them on the ground, I assume they all fell off. So yeah, that's the update on the garden. Oh yeah, and I got my cucumber plants over here that is not doing too well at all. I know you guys can see them. So I'm gonna try to figure out how to fix that. See if I can bring them back if they are officially dying. But that's the update for my video, and I'll talk to you guys next time when I update my videos. See you guys later.